Good evening, YouTube. It's the SP Prepper. Back with another video, and this one is going to be my EDC bag. And it's a little heavy, but it works well for what I need it to do. And it's everything that I need in it. Okay, okay, the first pocket. We got super warmer hot, like it's not hot hands, it's the actual square hot pad. I got a couple of these guys. Waterproof matches with a striker on it. I got a little bit of cotton in the top. I'm gonna put some more in there than that. I don't need some more than that. Waterproof. Seals up pretty good. Latex nitrile gloves, black. A couple pair of those. Mylar blanket. And some peppermints. Gotta have some kind of candy or something if you're in a SHTF situation. Okay. Another glove. So we're done for that pocket. And we'll go to another pocket. $25,000 milliamp charger, USB charger. Flashlight. Clip. This is actually a hand warmer, and actually you can charge things from it as well, but it's a hand warmer. I like to keep this in the bag. Some random phone chargers, USB chargers, the old USB, the USB-C, and iPhone. I don't even have an iPhone, I just have one just in case. Paracord, and a Ziploc bag. I got a couple of these Ziploc bags around just to, in case things get wet, I can throw them in a Ziploc bag. That's what the purpose for the Ziploc bags are. All right. Let's go to the next pocket. A Faraday phone charger. I like to keep these guys. I got a few of these, but keep one personally. You never know when you need to go dark. So I got a Faraday cage Faraday phone case. Bolt cutters, mini bolt cutters. Ozak Trail multi-tool. It's brand new, so I haven't really messed with it. That's why it's a little hard to open and all that. Got all the gadgets on it, the saw, the knife, the Phillips flathead screwdriver, the file. All those goodies on here. Ozak Trail, a nice little carrying case. A bivvy. This is a tall bivvy. If you get inside it and pull it up over you. I like how compact it is. I'm really big on compact things, but I think I have a couple of these in this bag. Another headlamp, like the one I went over the other day. Another plastic bag. Lighter. Doesn't light. I don't need it to light. I don't even know why it's in there. But it's all good. I ain't worried about that. Beef sticks and turkey jerky. That's a little something to hold you through. Don't need nothing major. Just a little something to hold you through. Got two small tarps. I'm not sure how wide these, but they're like a little small. Let's open one of them up. See. Yeah, that works. Just keep you off the ground. The purpose for these is just keep you off the ground, or keep you help for shelter. If you're keeping a couple of these guys would work well for me. So I got 2 of those guys. Got a hat, Toboggan, Scully, skull cap, whatever you want to call it. Got one of these. But I'm gonna switch that out for one of those head coverings I did in a video earlier. Gloves. These men face and body wipes. And this is a light. It should be, yeah, it's solar power light. You just inflate it, you can blow it up. Charges solar. I thought it was another way to charge it as well, but I know solar for sure. And yeah, it's just another light, just something else to have. Figured you could charge it another kind of way, but it's all good. We'll figure that out. Glow sticks. It's always good to have glow sticks. Saw. And long sleeve back, long sleeve shirt, long sleeve pants, Under Armour. It's like a dry fit Under Armour type of deal. I gotta figure out how I even latch this onto here. Okay, I see it. This is my pot set. This is that second bivvy. Some baby wipes. This is a fanny pack that I'm going to use to make my backpack lighter if I need to. So it's a nice size fanny pack to reduce some of the weight off my back, and it'll go around my waist. And these go over your shoes, and it comes up like your knee. It's waterproof. It waterproofs your feet, whatever you have on. It goes all the way up to your knee, just in case you be walking through some puddles. Bungee cord, feet warmers, and this is a Sawyer Mini. Got the Sawyer Mini and some squeeze bottles and some attachments for the bottles, so you purify water. It's a brand new Sawyer Mini kit. And I have a hand towel and a pair of socks and a bucket hat. bags. Here we go. Okay. And this bag, these are actually USB warmers. You got the small pads and you got the big pad. You plug them into the USB chargers and like put them on your body or put them in your shoe or on your back, wherever it is that you need heat. You see, is it 2 pads in here or just 1? Yes, 2 pads in here. You can plug them into USB, heat yourself up if you're in a pinch where you're cold, give yourself some warmth. And I have zip ties, paracord, and some tarp bungees in this bag. Got a really good medical kit. It has the them like band-aid sutures, one of those Israeli bandage kits with the scissors and all that stuff, and band-aids and Q-tips, CPR masks, another little first aid kit, compass with some safety pins, gauze, ointment, instant cold stuff. There's a bunch of stuff in this, tape and bandages and all kind of band-aids and some kind of ointment in there, some kind of eye wash stuff. This is a pretty good kit here. Got all sizes band-aids in it. Hope I can close this guy back up. I wanted to make sure I had a pretty good medical kit. All right. Toe warmers. A large tarp, folded up pretty good. That's what those bungees could do. You want to tie your tarp down. Solar panel, Renogy solar panel, folding solar panel. Where you plug the USBs in here. There's 3 solar panels. It has a little stand in the back. You need it to stand. And a full body rain, like a raincoat jacket. It's pretty good with a hood, a long sleeve. And this actual bag has a you can hook a USB up to the bag and actually just put the charger inside. That way you can charge your devices while you're actually in motion. All right, so have an umbrella. I don't know why I got a small umbrella, but you never know. So got a small little umbrella. Just try to make sure that I don't run out of any power. I got with the charger that I did a video on the other day. Got that in there. And this little this bracelet. This paracord bracelet has a knife in it, little sharp knife in it, compass on it. I don't know how good the compass is, and a whistle. Yeah, if you could, you won't be using that whistle. But anyway, that's just something to have. Extra paracord at least. So that's my EDC bag. yeah, that's everything that I feel that I would need if I was in a situation. I got my tarps, I got my BV, I got my rain jacket, got my water, a few things to snack on, fire starting stuff. I mean, stuff fire starting, processed wood, um, toe warmers, feet warmers, body warmers, USB warming pads. I got my Faraday phone case. I got lighting. I actually got another little flashlight to put in there, but got the glow sticks, the headlamp, and the flashlight. Multi-tool, solar panel just in case the chargers go dead. Bucket hat, extra clothing if I need to be warm. Medical kit, power, and a few things to wash up with. Yeah, that's my kit. Latex gloves, bolt cutters, paracord, phone chargers. So that's just some of the things that I have in my EDC. Just wanted to go over that with you guys tonight. So remember, like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all the new subscribers. And remember, stay prepared so you don't have to get prepared. It's the SP Prepper. Till the next time, you guys be safe.